Lose belly fat in 1 week with 5 ingredients from your kitchen. Belly fat reduction will lower your health risk and improve your self-confidence. This amazing drink detoxifies the body and escalates the rate of fat burns. Consume this amazing drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach to see fast results.
Belly fat reduction will lower your health risk and improve your self-confidence. This amazing drink detoxifies the body and escalates the rate of fat burns. Consume this healthy drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Ingredients: water, lemon, organic apple cider vinegar, cinnamon powder, raw honey. Instructions: take 250 milliliters of boiled water, preferably at room temperature. Add 2 teaspoons of organic apple cider vinegar. Also, add 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of raw honey and mix well. Your fat-burning drink is now ready to be consumed to lose belly fat in 1 week.